Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I had a viewer, subscriber, watch one of my videos and said he has, I think he said he has the latest version, which would be Corel X19 or 2017, depending on what you want to call it. And he didn't have the boundary tool. He couldn't see it up here. Well, you can't see it up there because it's not there yet. You have to have a reason for it to be there, just like you have to be clicked off to get your duplicate offset and your nudge factor. Once you click on an item like text, then your text menu shows up. So once you have a rectangle click, you've got your rectangle tools. Your weld tools, which is the creative boundary, is inside here. It's just not visible because you can't do anything with it yet. So if you have three rectangles like I have here, and you want to weld them, then the weld menu comes up. You want to create a boundary, it's right there in the weld tool, create a boundary, and then you have a boundary. So there's a lot of tools that disappear when you're clicked on something, like your nudge factor and your page size. You know, now it goes to weld to the text tool, and it tells you how big your text is. It's 6.4 inches long and not quite an inch tall. So it gives you the information on the item you're clicked on. So a lot of times you have to be clicked off of something to see some other things. Anyway, I hope it helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.